Good morning, my dear children. I am Nikita ma'am, and today I am going to teach you a new shape. But before that, we will do the revision of all the shapes that you have learned before. Which shape is this? Circle. This is a circle shape. Circle has no sides and no corners. Next, which shape is this? Oval. This is an oval shape. Oval shape has no sides and no corners. Next, which shape is this? Square. This is a square shape. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Which shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle shape. Rectangle shape has 4 sides and 4 corners. Opposite sides of rectangle shape are equal. This is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Next, this is a star shape. Now, I will teach you a new shape. This is the diamond shape. This shape is diamond shape. Diamond shape has some sides. Let's count how many sides are there in diamond shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Diamond shape has some corners also. Let's count how many corners are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners. Diamond shape has 4 sides and 4 corners. Let's do an activity of diamond shape. In this activity, this is the pond and these are the diamond shape of different sizes. We are going to make a fish using these different sizes of diamond shape. We will require a fevi-stick and a sketch pen. First of all, we will arrange all the different sizes of diamond shape in a fish. This is the body of the fish. Now we will make the fins of the fish like this. Next, we will make the tail of the fish. We have arranged all of them and now we will stick them using a fevi-stick. First of all, we will stick the fins of the fish. Like this, you have to stick the fins of the fish. Now, we will stick the tail of the fish. Look, we have stick all the diamond shapes like a fish. And now we will make the eyes of the fish using a sketch pen. like this. Look children, our fish is ready now. Now I will give you the practice worksheet. This is the worksheet, and in this worksheet here are some objects given of diamond shape. Let's see. This is the ring, diamond ring. Next, this is the kite. This is a clock. Next, these are the earrings. Earrings are of diamond shape. Children, you have to color the picture of the diamond shape in your maths classwork book on page number 14. I hope you had fun. Thank you, children.